Okay, chat, I'm going up to a top of a volcano. Apparently blew its top about 3,000 years ago. Still rather active. Sometimes the site shuts down for really heavy seismic activity. Oh my god, look at the river and the valley below. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. There's the other car. I get to smell the smell of rotten eggs because it's the hydrogen sulfide gas that's going to come out of that thing, man. Oh my god. There's the smoke from the caldera. Holy crap. Look at that. And get the hell out of here. That's enough. See that? Do you see that yellow cake? That's all sulfur, man. Holy frick, dude. Look how yellow that is. That's all sulfur. Hydrogen sulfide gas. Look how yellow electrical is.
From the rear of the gondola faces west, Mount Fuji's appearance is spectacular.
欢迎您今天乘坐深根空中缆车。现在缆车从大永古站出发，经过大约8分钟的旅程后，带您前往早